So in this video, I'm going to kind of go over the things we need to do before we even get to the job. In my email series, one of my email series of scheduled jobs is we want to make sure that the customer has everything off their porch, everything away from the house at least 15 feet. And this is, and honestly, we will not move this stuff if it's up against a house like this. There's a good chance we can break something. Grills can be very expensive, and these are some things that we want to make sure that we don't break, because the last thing we want to do is come do a $300 house wash and destroy a $1,000 grill. That's not very good business sense. They might like it because you just bought them a new grill, but you're not going to like it because you're not going to make no money. So the best way to keep that from happening is to make sure that we are taking this stuff and making sure that it's 15 feet away from the house. And this is whether it's on the back deck, on their front porch, you know, if they got hanging flowers, all that kind of stuff there, we want to make sure that it's off the back deck and away from it. You know, there's some electrical stuff here, and this is some things that we really want to make sure that it is away from the house, and that way we won't have to worry about damaging it. And so if we damage it, that's a bad thing. So we want to make sure that we don't damage it. And the best way to make sure that we don't damage this stuff is to tell the customer they have to have everything moved off the deck. And that is if we're doing a deck cleaning, or even if we're doing, you know, if we're not doing a deck cleaning, they have to have everything away from the house. So that way we don't have issues with tearing things up, blowing flowers away, all kinds of crazy stuff. And this way will help you in the end make sure that you do a professional job and you're not worrying about tearing stuff up that causes you to lose money in the end because you did something stupid and you sprayed it off, and next thing you know, it went rolling down, bouncing. It was their grandmother's special hanging thing on the wall that's 100 years old that you just broke, and now that you're not going to get a 5-star review. So the way you get 5-star reviews is to make sure you have all that stuff moved before you get here, and that way it is. Now, if you decide to not go like Jason's telling you to do, the next best thing to do is to take a picture of before you do this house. And when we take that picture, what that does is that will give you an idea to where you can put everything back to the exact space where it was. This is another way you can do it. I would much rather you do what I said in the first video, or the first part of this video, because this will protect you in the end. And so what I want to do here is protect you in the end. So that is what we would want to do to make sure that's happening. So in my next video, I'm going to talk a little bit about some taping stuff up and making sure that we don't damage things along the lines of electrical and all that kind of stuff. See you in that next video.